What's inside the magic box? Let's open it and see. Toys and tools and surprise too. For you and me. Ball? Wow, it's a ball. A big red ball. Spoon. Here is a spoon. We use it to eat yummy food. Toy car. It's a toy car. Let's go vroom vroom. Paintbrush. It's a paintbrush. Let's paint with blue and green. Hammer. Kids safe 12 tool. This is a hammer. Let's build a little house. Tap, tap, tap. Teddy bear. Oh, it's a cute teddy bear. Let's hug the teddy. So soft and cuddly. Bye bye, teddy. The magic was fun of fun. Now our learning done. Toy and tools we now all know. See you next time. Let's